वालेकुम अस्सलाम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम मीठा कुलसी। ओके।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, माय सेल्फ अफसर।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम all of you. Yes, first of all, listen some instructions from my side. Okay, if you are misbehaving and interrupting in the class, then I will not. I will report. I will tell it to the ma'am that you are not sincerely attending the class. Okay, is it clear? First of all, and second thing is that when I'm telling the marks to that particular person, only that particular person open his or her mind. It should be very much clear to all of you. Okay. First of all,
Okay sir.
okay, if I am found anyone who open the mic and not following the instructions, then I will deduct some of their marks. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. So yes, first of all, I am starting with the girls. Okay. Is it clear?
Okay sir.
So okay, wait for a second. I'm telling you, must start. Okay, mute everyone. Okay. So your mass will be Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And who opened the Muhammad Saad Ali bin Shahid? Okay. So here comes the list of girls. Okay. First of all, I am going to ask, yes, Nashra, be online. Nashra, are you there, beta? Only those.
No sir, she is not.
Okay, so I am not telling.
Sir, I'm Mantisha Priyam.
Beta, mute yourself, Mantasha Islam. And I am telling the marks only those who are present right now in the class. Who is this? Who is saying this? Who is this?
Assalamualaikum, my name is Abdul Ahad.
Beta, mute yourself. Media, mute yourself.
Sir, please tell page number.
Beta, you are not listening me what I am doing here. Okay, I am telling the marks. Okay. Okay, so listen it carefully. Okay, now Nashra is not here. Okay. Hana Ubaid is there. Hana Ubaid, are you there?
No sir.
She's also not here. Okay.
Sir, just see the participants
I'm seeing
and
it.
tell the marks.
Okay, I'm telling the marks according to the list. Okay, which I am having. Yes, Amina Bushra is there. He's not did complete the test. Yes, Ayman Jamal. Ayman Jamal is here. Okay, I'm seeing. Yes, Ayman Jamal. Okay. Yes, tell me, how was your test in chemistry? Is it okay, good, or
very nice? Giving our test marks. So tell me.
Rashid Ali, you are not following. I'm saying please mute all the boys, mute yourself. Okay. Ayman Jamal, you got 15 marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got 15 marks out of 20. Okay. So, okay, beta. Do hard
Yes,
work.
sir. Assalamualaikum, sir.
Rashid Ali, why you open the mic? I am telling the marks of girls section now. Now here comes Huren Asim. Huren Asim is there.
No, sir.
Okay. Now Nidia Kutsi. Yes, come on, Nidia. Yes, Nidia. Nidia. You are not here. Huh?
Sir, Nadia is there in the Zoom meeting, but she is not responding.
Yes, yes. Yes, Nidya, be online. Nidya, you are not responding. Should I call you? Huh? Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Yusuf, again you are open the mic. Okay, now Kulsum Rahman. Are you there, beta Kulsum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, tell me how was your test in chemistry, chapter number 1?
Sir, how much I practiced, it was like that only. I cannot say it is good or bad.
Okay. Still you got good marks. Okay, you got 15 marks. Okay. Is it clear?
Sir, 15 or 16?
Sir, 15 out of?
20.
Sir, she is Nehdia. She's asking her marks.
Nidya, you got 8 marks. Nidya got 8 marks.
Sir, how many Hafsa and Fatima get?
Beta, wait, I'm telling it to you. I'm coming. Wait for a second, okay? Now, is it clear? Kulsum, you got 15 marks. Now comes to Isma Anwar. Please be online, Isma.
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta, you good. Your performance is very good, alhamdulillah. And I told this also. You got very good marks. What do you think? How much marks you are expecting from the test?
Sir, 17 or 16 like this.
Okay, that you are very close to your assumptions. Huh? Alhamdulillah, you got 18 marks, you know?
Okay, sir.
Feeling good?
Yes, sir. Sir, what was wrong?
Okay, I don't have the paper right now. I have only the list on which I gave the marks. Okay. 2 things are wrong. That's why I got 2 marks. Now comes to Anabia Shanawaz. Is she there, Anabia Shanawaz? I think Anabia is not here. Yes, Anabia is not here. Okay. Now Zikra Salman.
Yes, sir.
Zikra Salman, what do you think? How was your test? Please do a hard work. You got little less marks, but 10 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Beta, this chapter is very easy if you're not even, this is one of the easiest chapters.
Sir, sorry.
Walaikum Assalam.
Okay.
Wait,
Sorry
beta.
for getting it. Actually, my network was not.
Okay, it's okay.
means it was
It's okay. Yes, mute yourself. Okay. And so, beta, Zikra, start doing hard work. Okay. And if you have any kind of problem regarding chemistry, physics, maths, you can ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
In the upcoming days, you will have the test. Okay. So be prepared for that. And now,
Sir, when will be our physics test? Okay.
I will notify you. Don't worry for that. Okay. Yes, beta. Rimsha is there. Rimsha Kausa is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Beta, tell me, what do you think? How many marks you will achieving in the test? You will be achieved in chemistry.
Sir,
How was the test?
I think normal.
Any guess? Any guess?
Sir, have you told Hafsa's mark?
Beta, I would give. I'm telling you. I'm speaking to now, Rimsha. Why you are coming in between? Huh? Yes, Rimsha. Please get online.
Yes, sir.
Alhamdulillah, you got one answer you did wrong. You got 19, highest marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got highest, and the second highest is Asma Anwar having the second highest marks. Okay. 2 of students get 18 marks. That is Isma Anwar and Shahrish Shanawaz.
Yes,
And-
Ami.
Okay, and Rimisha got 19. Okay, so now comes to Ruqayya Khurshid. Beta, Ruqayya, are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you think? How's the preparation? How was your test? What's your expectation marks?
Sir, I'm thinking that after like 16, 17, it is there.
16, 17, it is there. Okay, your assumption is totally
Yes.
right. And you said right now 16 and 17. So I take the mean and your marks will be 16.5. Okay, you got exactly 16.5. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now it's come to Shifa Haq.
Yes.
Oh, it's come to, sorry, Mantasha Mariam. Okay, Mantasha?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? How many marks you are getting?
I don't know.
Beta, this is, if any student do their test, he or she should know their performance themselves, how he or she done it in the test. So you got 16 marks, Mantasha. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please, those students who are getting less than 18 marks, okay, please start doing some efforts. Okay.
Sir, I want to ask you, can you send us our worksheets that what are wrong in our test paper?
Sir, who got the highest in whole class?
Yes, I told you,
Anybody
Rimsha.
got 20?
Rimsha. No, no one got 20.
Sir,
Sir, I want
Rimsha
to know
90?
which questions are wrong for me.
Beta, I am just told in the class. Right now, I have only the list of marks. Okay. If you have your any confusion, you send your paper on my number. Okay. Then I tell you where you go doing mistake. Is it clear? So next one is Hafza Fatima. Hafza Fatima.
Yes, sir.
Hafza Fatima, you got 14 marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So please, beta, what is the reason of so less marks?
Sir, because I started at 12 o'clock.
Why, beta?
Sir, because I was not having the mobile at that time.
Okay. Now it's Sarah Khan. Yes, Sarah Khan is there.
Yes, sir.
So 16 marks you have. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Fatima Zora. Yes, Fatima Zora. Fatima Zora.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you also need some hard work. Okay. You got 12 marks only. Who is this? Who is this? Whose mic is open? Okay. So please do more hard work. So in the upcoming test, you will achieve good marks. Now, Sharish Shanwaz. Sharish Shanwaz.
Yes, sir.
Beta, Sharish Shanwaz, you got 18 marks. Okay.
Yes, sir. You told.
Yes. I already told you. And Anusha Aman. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anusha Aman, you got 16 marks. And Amina Rehan. She is not here. We do
Sir,
late some.
16 I got.
Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
And beta, whose mic is this? And Amina Rehan. She submitted me late. Okay. And she is here or not? Amina Rehan. And she got 60. She got 8 marks. Okay. So please, again, start doing hard work. Okay, so that you will achieve good marks in
Okay, sir. Inshallah, we
all
will do it.
the
Sir,
subjects.
inshallah, we will do practice
Inshallah,
and next time I will get inshallah full
inshallah,
marks.
you will
Then
definitely.
next time, inshallah, I will get 20 marks in
Inshallah,
physics.
inshallah. Okay, if you are doing
Yes, sir, inshallah.
hard work, inshallah, it will definitely pay you. Okay, hard work never get
Yes,
wasted.
sir. If we will do hard work, so we will get.
Inshallah, or kya? If you do hard work, then definitely it will give you success. Okay, it will never get wasted. Now this is comes to boys. Okay, now please, girls, do not open your mic. I am asking to only boys. I am talking to boys only. Okay, you just listen. Yes, boys. 21 boys given the test. Okay, and starting from Muhammad Amin Huda. Yes, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many marks you are expecting? No, it's 16. Okay. You got 16 marks out of 20. Okay. Now Abdullah bin Umar. Yes, Abdullah bin Umar. Abdullah bin Umar.
Abdullah.
Okay. Yes, Fayyaz Hassan Sabri.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Fayyaz Hassan, you
Yes,
got
sir.
yes, you got 14 marks.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why you are getting less marks? Actually, you are a little active in the class. You are asking questions also. So why you are getting such low marks, 14? At least you should come with 16 or 17 marks at least. Okay. Yes, Muhammad Azhad. Muhammad Azhad.
Yes, sir.
You got 13 marks. You need a lot of hard work. Okay. And listen, boys, especially from boys' side, please do write correctly. Okay, you have a lot of spelling mistakes. Okay, so work on it also. This time I didn't cut any marks on spelling mistake. On the next test, I will start cutting the marks. Okay, and on the next mark there will be a negative mark also. So start preparing.
Negative marking?
Yes.
Oh, sir, that will cut many marks.
And no, if you prepare good, okay, if you're doing hard work, then how your answer will be wrong? Okay. So this is very easy test on VR, and I also do very lenient marking in this test. Okay. So Mohammad Arem. Mohammad Arem.
Sir, he's not in the meeting.
Okay. So here comes Mohammad Farhan Ali. Mohammad Farhan is also here. Okay.
Sir, test.
Khizr bin Ibrahim. Khizr bin Ibrahim.
Test का marks
Yusuf,
बता रहा कितना कितना.
Yusuf, turn off your mic and stop. Khizr bin Ibrahim.
Sir, he too is not in the meeting.
Okay. Now Saad Ahmad Khan. Saad is there.
See, you can send in WhatsApp group after this checking, so who is not there, they can also see.
Okay. Those who are not present, okay, I will post to their WhatsApp. Okay. Or if they are interested themselves, they can ask me. Okay. because at least they should be very sincere towards their marks also. And why he is not?
Sir, I'm saying that I want to know my mistakes.
Okay, you can send me your
Sir, I
paper.
also wanted to
Okay,
know.
girls and boys, both I'm saying to both to the class also. If you are having some mistake and if you are having some confusion, okay, send me your paper again on my WhatsApp number. Don't submit it on assignment, on my WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And
I
remember,
was saying
remember this thing, submit, listen.
Sir, can you please tell that what was my mistakes?
Beta, just now I'm telling the same thing. Okay, just now I'm telling the same thing. Whatever you have in confusion regarding marks, okay,
You can talk.
listen to me. And where you think that whatever you message, I will tell you. Okay, you post me the pic of that or PDF in my number, and I will show you where I cut the marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now comes to Saad. Ahmad Khan is not here. So Abdul Ahad is there. Abdul
Yes,
Ahad
sir.
Okay, Abdul Ahad, just tell me, beta, what's your problem? You got the lowest marks.
Sir, because sir, when I was submitting, sir, my mobile was switched off, and I have submitted late also.
Beta, you are submitting, you are saying that when you are submitting, your mobile get turned off. Okay, and you are saying that it's late also. But still you, some marks should be there, na? If you done it, if you submit it late, if you join the meeting late, so at least at how much time you are having in the meeting, at least that part should be correct. But still, you do a lot of mistakes. How many marks you got? You know, you got only 3 marks. Okay. Now comes to Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How was your paper, beta?
So, I don't know. I thinking that 15 or 14 only.
Ahmad Ali Abdullah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why is this Rashid Ali is written over your name?
So, he is my father name. So, in mobile is there. So, I will correct the name.
Beta, you will correct it. It will cause confusion. Creating confusion.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do it. Okay. So you got
Yes, sir.
got highest marks. Okay. That is 17.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And Hamza, 2 boys got 17. First is Ahmad Ali Abdullah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And another one I will tell you. Let the name come. Okay.
Sir,
Hamza.
who get highest mark in our class?
In boys section, you got the highest. Okay. Understood?
Sir, I want to know my mistakes.
Beta, just I'm telling it to you. I'm telling the class. You send me the paper. I will tell you. Okay. So now comes to Muhammad. Hamza Kamar. Hamza Kamar is there. Hamza Kamar is there. Okay. Muhammad Saad Ali bin Shahid Habib.
Sir, please speak a little bit louder.
Yes, sir. Muhammad Saad Ali is he there? Muhammad Saad Ali?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got 10.5 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, now Amina is present.
Okay. Yusuf
Sir, my
Mansoor.
mark.
Listen, Yusuf Mansoor, don't interrupt in between, okay? Yusuf Mansoor got 10 marks. Okay, beta. And Yusuf Muhammad Azmi.
Yes, sir.
Yusuf Muhammad Azmi, you also got 10 marks. Okay, why so less marks? What is the reason? Yes, you have to remember the name. Okay. In MCQs, one word. If you are still not able to do one word and MCQ, then how will you write 2-line answer and 3-line answer?
Please tell my marks.
Okay, after the boys completing the boys section first, and then I tell you. Okay. Yes, beta, tell me, Yusuf Muhammad, what happened to you? Why you got so less marks? Okay. Next is Musayyab Javed. Mute yourself, everyone. Musayyab Javed. He got 10.5. Yes, you got 10.5 marks. Okay. Now comes to Ubaida bin Aslam.
Yes, sir. My name is Obada.
Okay, Ubada. Okay. So Ubada, it is written here in the list Obaida.
Yes, sir. In the school app also, my name is written Obaida. But sir, my name spelling is Obada.
Okay. So Ubada, you got. Oh, listen, Ubada, you also got 17 marks. Okay. 4 of the students got 17 marks. Okay. And where is Umar?
In boys,
who gets?
Umar?
Sir, in boys, four boys got the highest marks.
Yes, 4 boys got 17 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Ahmed Ali Abdullah.
Listen to me. Beta, please correct your name. Okay. I am confusing Rabid Rashid Ali. Okay, beta. So Umar got 16 marks. Umar is there. Okay, he is not present right now. Yes, another person who got 17 marks is Ayan Zubair. Ayan Zubair, he is not present. Okay. Ayan Zubair is not present.
Last mark highest in our boys is 17 only.
Yes. It's 17 in boys, highest. Okay. And Faizan Khan. Faizan Khan is there. He is also not here. He is not present. Faizan.
चले गए.
Faizan. Okay. So Faizan also got 17 marks. So I'm telling you, Ahmed Ali Abdullah got 17. Ubaida bin Aslam got 17. Ayan Zubair got 17. And Faizan Khan got 17. Now Sayyid Ahmad Hussain. Is he present? Sayyid Ahmad Hussain.
No, sir. How much he got, sir? Sir, how much he got?
Okay,
Sayyid Ahmad.
I am telling it. Wait. Sayyid Ahmad Hussain got 8 marks. Okay. Boys, okay, girls do better again. Okay, please, boys, do hard work. Okay. In maths and physics also, girls' performance is much better.
Sir, when you will take math paper?
I will notify you, inshallah, and you start doing preparation. Okay. Yes, Umar Mohsin. He got second highest marks, that is 16. Okay. Is it clear, beta? Okay. So basically, what are the mistakes? Basically, what happens? Some of the students write different things. Basically, they do not write the same thing. And same thing means that if some medicine name is used or some medicine name are asked, especially the question of methane, LPG,
Sir,
and
what is
CNG.
my mistake?
Beta, I
In the
just told,
desk?
beta, I am right now, I don't have the copy. I'm in the school, okay? And I have only the list. So I will, you will ask me on my number, then I will tell you. Most of the students did this question wrong about LPG and CNG, okay? Which component is the main thing? So as it is, if you are not reading the chapter sincerely, okay? It is written methane is the answer. Okay, most of the boys did it wrong. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
so please start preparation the thing.
What is my three mistakes?
Beta, I told it right now, or this is my fifth, sixth time I'm telling this the same thing. Right
Sir,
now,
can you please tell me?
beta, right now I don't have the test paper. Okay, so when I reached back to my home, then you text me, WhatsApp me, then inshallah I will tell you your mistake. Okay. Or another mistake people generally do is they didn't write the correct advantages of synthetic fiber. These are the common mistakes done by several students. They don't know the advantages of synthetic fiber. Okay. And they don't know the component of LPG and CNG, the main component. Another mistake is one of the question which all the students do wrong is that is okay, I will tell you. And okay, whatever the confusion you are having. So yes, tell me that this thing that if you have still if you I think if it is possible, if you are again ready to give me the test of this chapter, okay, then I will take the test for those if they are ready who got less marks, less than 15. Those students, if they're ready and they prepare within 2-3 days, then I will take the test for those who got less than 15 marks.
Okay, sir.
Okay, but there is a condition for that.
You will not take who got 17 and 18. You will not take that one test. That
No,
boy
no,
is not there.
no, I am taking for those who got less than 15 marks or 15 marks. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Or, as I am taking the test, okay, inshallah, I will notify it to you.
Opening camera. Yes, sir, it's opening camera.
Beta, listen to me. If you are shouting and all the students speak at the same
Sir,
time,
Fiyaz is again open camera.
no one going to open camera.
Now he closes.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay, if you prepare it, okay, and I will tell you the date later. First, you start preparing it, and there is a condition because as I am taking it again, there is a rule of negative marking. So start reading carefully, and then I will notify you the date also when you will have the test. Okay. In between, you are also preparing.
All these students.
No, beta, you are not listening carefully. I'm saying it again. For those who are getting less marks, less than 15 marks, 15 marks or less than 15 marks. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And listen this thing also. Do not stick to chemistry only. Okay. Start preparing for physics and maths also.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Inshallah, I'll prepare
Because I know on the basis of this test, I am sure to say, I'm very much sure that you have all the stamina, all students have the potential to get very good marks. Okay. Beta, who is this? Who is opening the camera? You're not following the instructions. I don't know what is going on.
Sir,
Hazar, yes, Hazar, you got 10.5 marks. Okay. So,
sir, I have sent you the photo of my answer sheet
Okay.
on your
Okay, inshallah. Beta, who is this?
After
Who is
class?
this? Who is?
After
Okay. In this chapter, I'm telling you what is how to do practice, how to prepare this chapter. In this chapter, the important thing is just remember the names. Okay, the terminology, the names of medicine, the names of fertilizer, the full form. These are the main things in this chapter. So make a table for that, separate tables. Okay, this is beta, this is not good. Okay, you are again disturbing the class. Listen to me, Nidya, what happened? This is the third, fourth day you are doing again. You are opening the camera. Okay, so this is work. I'm supposed that everyone, all the students will do because it will help you in the examination also. Make a list, make a column. In one column, you write the names of the scientists. Okay, and on the other column, you write their contributions. Okay. Yes. Girls, are you listening to me?
Sir, you can send the audio in WhatsApp.
Okay.
Sir, you can send the audio in WhatsApp.
Okay, after the class, inshallah, whatever your query you want to ask, please. Okay, so in this way you will read, you will remember the name. You make a list. You make a list of medicines, and you make a list of cosmetics. What are the chemicals they are containing in it? So in this way, beta, whose mic is open again and again and not following the things. I don't know what is this. Okay. Yes, Mandasha, you are getting me? What I am saying? Make a table of antibiotics, analgesics, antibiotics in one column, and in the another column, you can write the.
Yes, sir, I'm listening to you.
Yes. And the another column, you write the names. What are the medicines you are using? Antibiotics, antiseptics, okay, antacids. So in this way, a short note is also prepared, and at the same time, you also get prepared for the test also. Okay.
Sir, can you please tell when is our assessment?
I will tell you, inshallah, and notify you. Don't worry for that, but just start doing the things. Okay. Never bother about at what date the event took place. Start. You should be prepared. This is the.
Sir, I'm not asking about the class test. I'm asking about assessment.
I'm telling this, na. I'm telling this. Whatever, whenever the date, it will notify you. Is any test or any assessment took place without notifying to the student? No. Then you should be prepared, and inshallah you will got the notification.
Okay, sir.
So, beta.
Okay, sir. Inshallah, we'll prepare for it.
You start preparing the things, and whatever you will have.
I'll come back to me.
Beta, who is this? Who is speaking in Urdu again and again? What happened? Whose name is this? Who has written BSHS? Please write your proper name. Whose name is this? Who has written this as a name? BSKHS? Yes, anyone?
Sir, Khizr bin Ibrahim.
Okay, I note the name. I'll inform it. Okay, I note the name. Okay. You are not following instructions. I am starting noting the name. Okay. Nidya, I noted the name of Nidya 3 or 4 times. As she is not following the instruction, and open the mic, open the camera again and again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Inshallah, is